Hey YouTube creators! So you're looking to boost your subscriber count and grow your channel fast, right? Well, you're in the right place. Today I'm gonna share with you some tips on how to get 100 subscribers instantly, for free. Now before we dive in, let's get real for a second. There are a ton of services out there promising instant subscribers like alsmo.net, but be cautious folks. These free YouTube subscribe services might sound tempting, but they can be against YouTube's terms of service. You don't want to risk your channel getting penalized or even terminated. So what's the best way to grow your channel sustainably? Focus on organic growth methods. Here's how you can do it. First up, create compelling content. Research popular topics in your niche and make sure your videos provide value. For example, if you're a tech reviewer, dive deep into the latest gadgets and give honest reviews. People love authenticity. Next, promote your channel on other social media platforms. Share your videos on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram to reach a wider audience. The more eyes on your content, the better your chances of gaining subscribers. Another great tip is to collaborate with other YouTubers. Partnering with creators in your niche can expose your channel to a whole new audience. It's a win-win situation. And don't forget to engage with your viewers, respond to comments, ask questions, and build a community. When your audience feels valued, they'll be more likely to subscribe and share your content with others. Now, I know building a YouTube channel takes time and effort, but trust me, it's worth it. Focus on providing value to your audience, and the subscribers will follow. That said, if you're still curious about the instant subscriber route, you can check out alsmo.net. Just be cautious and aware of the risks involved. I've put the link in the video description below. Remember, a high subscriber count can increase credibility, but it's the quality of your content and engagement that truly builds trust with viewers. Don't prioritize subscriber numbers over genuine connection. Focus on creating content that attracts a loyal audience, rather than chasing subscriber numbers for revenue. So if this video helped you, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions or tips of your own, drop them in the comments below. Let's grow together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.